Hello, everybody, and welcome to the session. How is everybody doing? Let me see how many of you are on time. It's raising in hail in my region. It's raining with hail in your region. Oh my god, why are there rains right now? Hi, Khushi, I'm doing great. Hi, get you knowledge. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Lucifer. Hi, Abhinav. Hi, Agnam. Hi, Ankur. A lot of newcomers here. I am doing great, Priyanka. How are you? All good, all good? Chalo. Hi, Karan. Hi, Abhinav. Hi, V. Hi, Rohan. Hello to everybody on the other side. So, everyone who is new, let me give you a quick introduction about myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. As you can see, I have done my masters in mathematics. मतलब आप सोच सकते हो कि how much I love this subject. So and I will make sure that all of you also fall in love with the same subject. So let's get started with today's session. So when simple interest was being taught to you in grade 7th, you're like हाँ आजा मैं तो तुम्हें खेल लूँगा, तुम तो बहुत ज़्यादा इजी टॉपिक हो, ये वो करके आप बहुत ही अमेजिंगली खुश थे अपने ज़िंदगी में. फिर आया 8th ग्रेड का कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, है ना. 7th ग्रेड का सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, यू आर ऑल स्माइलिंग. बट जब 8th ग्रेड का कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट दिखा, this is how you have become. Give me a fire in the chat box right now if this meme is relatable. Ab bhi smiling, very nice. Yes, Karan Biswas, I am ignoring you. I want to ignore you. That's why I am ignoring you. Oh my god. Awesome. Yes, it's relatable. Highly relatable, right? Awesome. So I can see 81 people watching right now, but 81 likes nazar nahi aa rahe. 89 people in fact, but 89 people के likes नजर नहीं आ रहे. क्यों? Join in right now, guys. Join right now and hit the like button. Chalo. Let's get started. You can also follow me on Instagram. It is haripriya.vedantu. And please do not forget to like the video and share the video because आज का जो topic है compound interest. I have bought different variety of questions. Applications पे half yearly compounded, full year है ना, yearly compound कैसे करते हैं, सब कुछ आज हम सीखेंगे एक वीडियो में. So share this video with your friends and make sure that they are also being on point with the concept. And अगर आप यहाँ पे नए हो, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Whenever you if you hit the bell icon, जब भी हम लाइव क्लास करते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर चैनल में, या जब भी कोई अनाउंसमेंट होता है, जब भी कोई कम्युनिटी पोल होता है, या जो भी है, you will be notified first. So yes, hit the like button right now, subscribe and share as well. Show us some love. Okay? Awesome. तो मैं देख सकती हूँ 101 people are there but 91 likes. कंजूसी क्यों कर रहे हो भाई? 101 hit the like button right now. चलो. Thank you so much, Shivangi. Hi, Samhita. I know it's really, it can be really tough, Samhita, but don't worry. Her blessings are always with you. She's always with you. ठीक है? चलो. Hello to everybody who is new to the session. Let's get started with Super Kids Reward Batches, a level up motivation for all you rock stars. तो आज Mentee में, नहीं कल के last class में Mentee में we had Shubhashri on top of the leaderboard and then we have Nikita OP at the bottom of the leaderboard. Okay, so yep, let us get started. I'm so sorry. Homework superstar is here. So we have Vaibhav, then we have Anshika who gave the correct answer. The correct answer is 190 handshakes. Good job. And then yes, Super 30 के मूवी में भी पूछा गया था ये सवाल. Good job, Vaibhav. Then we have Sanskriti Sushma who gave an amazing explanation. मतलब amazing explanation. And she is also my long-term student at Vedantu. Then we have Manasvi who has given the correct answer. Then we have Parth Saxena, Sanskriti Rachana who was new to the class and also is in the top 10 of the Homework Superstars. Then we have Mutyala, Khushi and Kanika. So well done everybody on the on the homework superstar. Good job. तो आज के क्लास में भी homework होगा at the end of the session. If you want a shout out and if you want to be in the top 10 people to answer it right, you have to wait till the end of the session. जब live खत्म होगा, chat box शुरू हो जाएगा, comment section शुरू हो जाएगा, है ना? You will be able to see the comment section. It will be visible. So type in your answer. आज का जो homework है वो भी बहुत ही मज़ेदार homework है, very easy. So let's get started with the maths code. उसके बाद हम करेंगे word problems on compound interest and then Mentee. चलो. Mathematics is a place where you can do things that you cannot do in your real world. That's why mathematics is another different world altogether and magical as well. That's the quote of the day. So let's try some NCERT Exemplar questions on compound interest. Now, so what are we going to do here? We are going to calculate compound interest. तो compound interest के थोड़े easy peasy formulas is you have to understand here. This is PP, यहाँ पे सरक गया पता नहीं क्यों. Anyways, so when I ask you to calculate compound interest annually, what will you do? First you will find out amount. Okay? Simple interest में हम first क्या करते थे? हम simple interest find out करते थे. We used to add that to principal. Then you would be getting the amount. But while you are calculating compound interest, you have to first calculate the amount, which is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, where amount is the total money that you have to give to the bank, matlab the money that you borrowed from the bank and the extra interest that you are paying. P is the principal or the original value, R is the rate of interest per annum, and n is the number of years that the money is invested or you've taken the money for, right? And then you calculate your compound interest as amount minus the principal. Now, if I ask you to calculate it half yearly, remember when it becomes half yearly, the rate becomes half and the time becomes twice. Why? Because you're calculating it half yearly. Half yearly का मतलब क्या है? Every 6 months you're paying. First 6 months, next 6 months. That's why the number of times you're paying is doubled. But the rate of interest is split because rate of interest is always per annum. So half करोगे तभी आधा होगा for half yearly, right? So this would be P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2n. And then how will you calculate your compound interest? Amount minus principal. Amount का ये है आपका formula, right? So note, R becomes half and time becomes double when you are compounding half yearly. ठीक है? Now, let's jump into the first question here. Now, thank you Kanika. Now this is the 11th question because हमने 10 questions already कर लिए हैं on profit and loss, discount, ratio, proportion, tax and simple interest in the previous classes. You can also find those videos on our channel. Now, the compound interest on a sum of rupees 1000 in 2 years is 440 rupees. So what are they asking? You have to find the rate of interest. So whatever is given, write it down. Principal is given to be 1000 rupees. Okay. Compound interest is given to be 440 rupees. And the time is given to be 2 years. Remember, the time is always in years. What is that you have to calculate? R, which is the rate of interest. तो हमारा formula क्या है? Everything else is given and we know that amount, the total amount is the money that you took plus the interest that you have to pay on that money. तो यहाँ पे principal is already given to you 1000 rupees plus compound interest is already given to you 440 rupees. So the total is 1440 rupees. This is the amount. And now you know the formula. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power T. You have your amount, which is 1440, principal and time. You only have to calculate your rate of interest. That's it. I have bought my 1000 here and cancelled 0 and 0. You have 144 by 10. which are perfect squares. Both the numbers are perfect squares. So you can write it as 12 by 10 whole square, which is equals to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 2. Okay. So since the power is the same, can we equate the bases? You can equate the bases. Okay. So here, so this is a constant number. A constant number is equal to this thing. So you can equate the bases in this case because a constant number है. So cancelling the powers you have basically not cancelling the powers, but you can say equating the bases. ठीक है? So you have 12 by 10 is equals to 1 plus r by 100. Take your 1 this side and calculate your r, which is equals to 20%. That's it. This is how simple it can get. Second question. As we go above the questions, the difficulty level keeps increasing. So I want you people to concentrate. ठीक है? तो please concentrate करना यहाँ पे. And okay, awesome. Kanav, you're on time today. That's amazing. Hi Krishna. You're back with your questions also. Okay, मैडम जी हिंदी में बोलिए प्लीज. आयुष, अगर मैंने हिंदी में बोलना शुरू कर दिया तो आपको कुछ समझ भी नहीं आएगा. I'm really weak in explaining in Hindi. You've copied my hairstyle? Did I? I just wanted to do a small cute bun here, so I was like, कुछ तो नया दिखे ना हम लोग YouTube पे. Otherwise, you will be bored looking at the same old faces. Anyways, a certain sum amounts to rupees 7,200 in 2 years at 20% per annum compound interest compounded annually. Find the sum. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? Amount is given, time is given, rate of interest is given, and you have to find out what is going to the principal. Straight question, straight formula. A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Your amount is given, your principal you have to find out, rate of interest, and n is also given, right? So here when you simplify, this will become 20 into 1, 20 into 5. So in the brackets, it will become 1 plus 1 by 5. Taking LCM and simplifying, it will become 6 by 5. Whole square. When you take it to the other side, they'll get reciprocated. Simplify, you will be getting 5,000 rupees. Thank you, Shivangi. Old is gold, so not bored of gold. Okay, Sumana. Awesome. Everybody who has done 5,000 rupees hai, well done, well done. Okay. Are these sums for NCERT textbook? Not from the exercises, but this is called as Exemplar, where we do a level up questions. Okay? Your next question is on your screen. Rahim borrowed rupees 10,24,000 from a bank for 1 year. Principal is given, time is given. If the bank charges an interest of 5% per annum, compounded half yearly, what is the amount that he has to pay in the given period of time? Also find out the interest paid by him. So first thing, write down what is given. Even in the question, in your exam, please write down what is given so that you can avoid confusion. Okay? So what is that you have here? Rahim borrowed how much rupees? 10,24,000. That is the principal. Time is 1 year. Rate of interest is 5% per annum compounded half yearly. So what is your amount? Let it be A. We have to find that out. But half yearly के लिए formula क्या है? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2n. Now what you have to do here? You simply have to substitute. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. That is 2 into 1. So you have your principal, rate of interest, time. You substitute, you will be getting the amount. Once you get the amount here, you will be getting the total amount. यहाँ से how do you calculate your compound interest? It is amount minus the principal. Amount you've already got as 10,75,840, right? So 10,75,840 minus the money that he took will give you the extra money that you have paid. That's it. Okay? Everybody, easy peasy. यहाँ भी awesome. Okay. 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 Acha, it's Parama. Okay, hi Parama. Okay, cool. AKR sir is married. I know. Your 14th question's on your screen. The difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years, 10% per annum is 50 rupees. Matlab, they're telling compound interest minus simple interest is equals to 50 rupees. This is what is given. For how many years? Time, 2 years. Rate of interest, 10%. You have to find out what is going to be the principal. So first let's find out the simple interest ka formula. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. P we don't know. Just keep it as P as it is. R is 10, T is 2. So you are getting simple interest as P by 5. Or on simplifying, you will be getting it as 0.2 P. You're cancelling 0, 0 here. 2 into 1, 2 into 5. So you're getting P by 5, which is equals to 0.2 P. Principal हमें पता नहीं है, so just keep it as P. Similarly, we're going to calculate our compound interest. What is compound interest? Amount minus the principal. So amount is what? We already know the formula. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. I'm so sorry, I forgot 100 here. Okay. R हमें already पता है कि 10% है. So 10 by 100 will give you 1 by 10, which is 0.1. So P into 1.1 square minus 1 square. It is of the form A square minus B square. See, this is where you have to use your identities. 1 can be written as 1 square. So you got compound interest is equals to 0.21 P. What is given in the question? Compound interest minus simple interest. The difference between them is given to be 50. है ना? So what is compound interest according to what we got? 0.21 P. What is simple interest? 0.2 P is equal to 50. तो यहाँ से आपको P find out करना है. ठीक है? यहाँ से आपको P find out करना है. Okay? Everybody? Awesome. Yes, easy formula based questions, and the last one here is an application of compound interest. Compound interest बहुत ही आसान है, सब कुछ दिया गया है. You just have to read the question carefully, saying कि क्या ये compounded half yearly है या compounded annually. ठीक है, तो उनके लिए अलग अलग होगा. Now, so let's talk about an application question. In the year 2001, the number of malaria patients admitted in the hospital of a state was 4,375. Every year, the number decreased by 8%. Find the number of patients in 2003. Now guys, carefully look at the explanation. Why is this connected with compound interest? क्यों? तो एक है आपका 2001. I am so sorry, let me I'm just covering the question. Okay, 2001, 2002, 2003. So 2001 में they're telling initially the original value was 4,375. तो initial value क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Principal. Now from 2001 and 2002 it has decreased. Cases will decrease by how much? 8% they have decreased. So now let's say X number of cases are there. So when you are calculating for 2003, will you calculate on X or will you calculate on P? You tell me. Will you calculate the compound interest on, the final amount on X or P? What will you do? What will you do? X या P? Awesome, amazing. I love the energy here. It is X, है ना? So you're calculating on X. On this you will calculate and get this value Y. तो यही तो है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. जब आप कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, द प्रिंसिपल कीप्स चेंजिंग फॉर एवरी ईयर, है ना. द प्रिंसिपल, द वैल्यू ऑन विच यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग विल चेंज एवरी ईयर. दिस ईयर का अमाउंट विल बिकम प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द नेक्स्ट ईयर. दिस ईयर का अमाउंट इज गोइंग टू बी द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो इसीलिए ये जो एप्लीकेशन है इज रिलेटेड टू कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. यहाँ पे टाइम पीरियड इज 2 years एंड इनिशियली 4,300 केसेस थे, तो वो हो जाएगा आपका प्रिंसिपल, राइट. सो प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन. प्रिंसिपल इज द इनिशियल अमाउंट, ओरिजिनल. सो प्रिंसिपल इज 4,375. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 8/100. नाउ व्हाई आर वी डूइंग माइनस हियर? P is equal to 1 plus R/100 होता था, पर यहाँ पे माइनस है. Why? Can somebody tell me? Why did we put a minus there? कोई मुझे बोल सकता है? यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में हमने माइनस क्यों लगाया? Why did we put minus? रीजन क्या हो सकता है? रीजन क्या हो सकता है? फॉर्मूला है A is equal to 1 plus R/100 whole to the power n. Exactly. Tiger got it right. Lucifer got it right. Awesome, awesome. Exactly. Because question में दिया है they keep decreasing at 8%. Decreased by 8%. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे माइनस लगाया. So please be very careful when you're reading the question. है ना? हटके ये question थोड़ा. तो P is equals to 1 P into 1 minus R/100 whole to the power n, which is 2. So substitute करो. You can solve this using 4 table. 4 into 2, 4 into 25. And you can take the LCM of 1 plus 2 by 25. And you will be getting the answer as 23 by 25. A whole square. So you're multiplying it twice. Multiply it with 4,375. Use 5 table or 25 table for calculation. You will be getting 3,703 cases only at the end of 2 years. मतलब 2003 में बस बहुत कम cases होंगे. ठीक है? Yes, everybody? Got the answer? Awesome, 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 awesome. So good job, guys. And so let us get started with Mentee. I can see 114 people live. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also like. How did you got 5,000? Can you please explain again? Okay, Keshava, please carefully listen. Where did I get 5? Acha, ठीक है. Keshava, please carefully listen the question. They're telling that the difference between compound interest and simple interest is 50. ये already question में दिया गया है, ठीक है. तो what did I do? I separately calculated compound interest, PTR by 100, and I got it in terms of P, okay. And again I calculated compound interest, sorry, simple interest and compound interest separately. I got compound interest, which is A minus P, in terms of P again 0.21 P. Now they told that the difference between them is 50. So 0.21 P minus 0.2 P is equal to 50. From here, find the value of your P. Kesava, did you understand? Yes. Hi Parth. Thank you Prem. Love you too. Awesome. Awesome. So chalo, let's move forward with the quizzes. Everybody, before we move forward with the quiz, I have a quick announcement to make. So guys, there is a massive, so you go to my video here, okay, which is happening live right now. तो उसके सेशन के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अगर आप देखोगे, there is CBSE crash course. So when you click on that, it will take you to a website and look at the prices. Look at this, only in 1440 rupees with the coupon code YHPRO. You are getting live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments, notes, doubt solving during the class. अगर आप क्लासिक लेते हो 400 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा डाल के, यू विल बी गेटिंग अ डाउट सॉल्विंग ऑन द मोबाइल ऐप. ये एक स्पेशल फीचर है वेदांतु में, वेयर यू विल बी एबल टू क्लिक योर डाउट and upload. We will have our class teachers, we will have our doubt experts getting back to you. तो massive discounts हो रहे हैं. You can buy a complete course and also get a discount with the coupon code YHPRO. 2000 रुपीज़ का, सॉरी 1600 रुपीज़ का है. उस पर आप अगर कूपन कोड अप्लाई कर दोगे, you will be only getting it for 1440. Everything you're getting. You can change your grade here, maybe 7th grade, CBSE, ICSE, कुछ भी आप कर सकते हो. तो वहाँ पे भी you can see the prices have dropped for all the grades. So this is the good news that I wanted to give all of you here. So make sure that you are joining the crash course. The last crash course will be on 14th of February, Valentine's Day पे होगा. That will be the last enrollment. उसके बाद crash course नहीं होगा. So this will be the last batch. If you want to join us, if you want to learn from me, Navamita ma'am, Pritesh sir, Surabhi ma'am, all of these people, lovely people, Mohan sir and all, Priya ma'am, you have to join right now. Okay, so the link is there in the description box. I have already shown you. You will be getting live classes, live and interactive. आप मेरे से directly बात कर सकते हो. I'll talk to you, understand and then clarify your doubts and make sure that your concepts are well built before you hit your final exams, before you give your final exams. Replay भी मिलेगा, notes भी मिलेगा आपको, download कर सकते हो आप and you can watch it whenever you want. You can use those notes wherever you want to prepare your own mind map, prepare your own notes and all of that, right? So make sure you're enrolling. The description box में link है. आ जाना if you want to score 100% knowledge and also 100% marks. ठीक है, तो सबके साथ compete कर सकते हो. replay है, quizzes है, जो quizzes मेंटी करके आप तड़पते हो ना, वहाँ पे after every topic that we finish there are quizzes. Okay, so let's get started with the Mentee here. 1 minute. Yeah, मुझे Mentee का link नहीं दिखाना था आपको. चलो, Battle of the Brain begins. The code is 86199912. 86199912. Guys, I'm not ignoring anybody in the chat. There's so many people. So many people. Wait a minute, Charvi. I am waiting. Hi, Ramcharan. Hi, Muskan. मेंटी आ गया है. डोल नगाड़े बजाओ. डोल नगाड़े से याद आया, चलो बजा ही लेते हैं डोल नगाड़े. मेरा एक कल का क्लास है. आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन डू इट हियर. नो आई कैन नॉट. मेंटी सॉरी, वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म में एक्चुअली आप डोल नगाड़े भी बजा सकते हो. ठीक है. हाय आराध्या, आई रिमेंबर यू बच्चा. पलक, आई रिमेंबर यू. Ma'am, are you doing class 7th live classes on YouTube? YouTube, no. But Vedantu के प्लेटफॉर्म में I take for 6th, 7th and 8th crash course जो शुरू होने वाला है. ठीक है. Awesome, Kanav. चलो, I will start in 3, 2, 1 and start. क्या आपके क्लासेस हर दिन होते हैं? नहीं, हर दिन नहीं होता है. यूट्यूब पे नहीं, पर वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म में यस, हर दिन होता है. ऑसम, ऋतिक शाह. The additional money paid or borrowed by the money lender is money lender in lieu of their money is called as. In lieu of the money used is called as. क्या है? That extra money that you pay, ये क्या है? Actually इतना ज़्यादा टाइम पता नहीं क्यों है इसमें. I really don't understand इतना ज़्यादा टाइम कैसे हो गया इसमें. I guess मैंने settings change नहीं किया. Guys, everybody has voted. That's amazing. खुद ही बंद हो गया. Very nice. So you can see majority of you got it right. It is interest. मेंटी बहुत ही ज़्यादा चालू है. ये बहुत अच्छा है, दिमाग लगाता है ये. Krishna Saraswat K 1K ma'am. Okay, then we have Shreyansh. Tarun from class 7th. Hi Tarun. Then we have Arushi. Hi Miss Universe Parth. Hi Parth. Are you Miss Universe or I am Miss Universe? Hapa. I'm definitely Hapa is Anshika. Then we have Nivedita, Ayushi, Hi-Fi, Tiger Baby, and then Ayush. And second question on your screens. State true or false. Compound interest is calculated on the amount of the previous year. Is it true or false? It's not you? Thanks for clarifying my doubt. This is Vishnu. You're welcome, Vishnu. Awesome, awesome. Well done, well done. The answer here is yes, only in compound interest. Previous year's amount is taken to be the principal. Yeah. Then we have, Ashrita, Charvi, Brinda, Shriyansh, Khushi. You're so sweet, ma'am. Thank you, Khushi. Karthik from Gwalior. Hi, Karthik. Then we have Saloni, Vaibhav, Kushal and Japleen from grade 7. That's amazing. Leaderboard question hoga hi hoga. Don't worry. ठीक है? And here we go. The time in which 6,000 rupees amounts to 7,986 at 10% compounded annually is. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही कम टाइम में यार आई एम सो सॉरी दिस टाइम इन क्विज आई फॉरगॉट टू चेंज द टाइमिंग्स हियर तुक्का कर दो तुक्का ओपी तुक्का मार दो आज के लिए है ना आई एम सो सॉरी अबाउट इट बट सॉल्यूशन रहेगा सो डोंट वरी लुक एट दैट बहुत सारे लोगों ने तुक्का लग गया तुक्का करेक्ट गया बहुत सारे लोगों का Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I know कम टाइम है श्राव्या मैं चेंज करना भूल गई थी नंबर्स है ना so this is how the solution is going to look like. You can directly use the formula P is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n and substitute everything which is given and find the value of n. ठीक है तो चलो लीडर बोर्ड देखते हैं. आश्रिता चैट बॉक्स ब्लॉक्ड मी. आश्रिता so sorry but मेरे हाथ में है नहीं. एंड देन आज ये हो क्या रहा है आज सारे पॉइंट्स ऐसे क्यों आ रहे हैं. वी हैव श्रेयांश, हापा, आरुषि, वृंदा, रौनक, तरुण, सुभश्री, निवेदिता, आश्रिता एंड जानवी. Let's move forward with the fourth question on your screens. Find compound interest on rupees 7,500 at 4% per annum for 2 years, compounded annually. Chalo. EGPG? Thank you, Palak. I hope you're liking it. That's a time up. I know it's very less time. Apologies for that. मैं चेंज करना भूल गई बच्चा टाइमिंग्स एंड आई फील सो बैड अबाउट इट. आई एम रियली सॉरी. ठीक है इस बार का मेंटी के लिए आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. ठीक है so this is how you have to answer. So you take A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. Everything is given. P is given, R is given and N is given. Substitute and then compound interest is amount minus the principal. ठीक है and let's look at the leaderboard and awesome. Shriyansh, Brinda, Tarun, Ashrita, Janvi, Leera, Charvi, Tanmay, Prasad forgot me. I didn't forget you, Tanmay. Hello. Hapa and Arushi. Let's see. Here we go. In how many years will 7,000 amount to 9,317 at 10% per annum compound interest? Oh my God. 15 सेकेंड है उसके लिए तो. So sorry. Okay. And still many of you have got it right and सबने फिर से 3 years करके लिखा है. Less time why Lenin usually doesn't happen in any of my sessions but इस बार हो गया है. Apologies. So this is how the solution is going to look like. But yes, I have given solution along with the problem. I have given solution. तो बाद में आप देख लेना. ठीक है Chalo, leaderboard on your screens. Guess intuition gone crazy? We have Shreyansh leading the leaderboard. Tukka zindabad for today. Yes, I apologize for that, but kal se next class se ho jayega. Don't worry. ठीक है? So, yep, last batch is going to start on 14th of February. इसके बाद से आपको क्रैश कोर्स नहीं मिलेगा, आपको रिप्ले देखना पड़ेगा, लाइव क्लास नहीं होगा जहाँ पे आपको पूरा सिलेबस हम कवर करेंगे. And now with the coupon code YHPRO, you're getting all the subjects, full syllabus only for 1440 rupees. Live classes, notes, test series, analysis, doubt solving after the class का feature सब आपको मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो एनरोल कर लेना और आ जाना. द लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और इन द पिंड कमेंट्स में भी पिंड है, लाइव चैट में भी पिंड है, तो आप क्लिक कर सकते हो वही लिंक पे. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अगर आपको मिला नहीं तो पिंड कमेंट्स में है. सो अगला सेशन होगा सैटरडे ऑन हाउ टू प्रिपेयर नोट्स फॉर योर मैथ्स एग्जाम in 24 hours. If you just have one day towards your maths exam, तो आपको क्या क्या करना चाहिए, last minute preparation tips भी दूंगी, and how to make notes also I will tell you on Saturday 9 p.m. Okay, so yes, for any enrollment of the courses, description box और pinned comment में भी है, you can use the coupon code YHPRO and get the entire course only for 1440 rupees. And this is the homework question. You have to replace the question mark here and tell me what is it going to be. ठीक है? तो आ जाना next class Saturday को and watch the session. It's going to be an amazing one. Do follow me on Instagram for further updates. Thank you so much. You people were awesome today. See you again in the next class. Lots of love. Bye-bye.